Number 21. What is the value of the expression? Number 22. Which is the best estimate of 2 8/10 times 1 2/10? Number 23. Which rule describes the pattern in the graph? Number 24. Wes has a length of hose that is 7 1600 meters long. He cuts the hose into 4 equal pieces. How long is each piece of hose? Number 25. Gina has 7 cups of apple juice. She uses a 4th cup of apple juice in each serving of fruit punch. How many servings of punch can Gina make with the apple juice? Number 26. Which is a prime number? Number 27. A floral shop has 400 roses divided evenly among 25 vases. Which quick picture can be used to determine how many roses are in each vase? Number 28. Tony pays 8 cents in sales tax for every $1 that he spends. If Tony spends $70, how much will he pay, including sales tax? Number 29. Noah filled 1/3 of his plate with pasta and 1/2 of the plate with vegetables. He left the rest of the plate empty. How much of his plate did Noah fill with food? Number 30. Robin made a chart to keep track of her money. Robin's April budget: income, expenses. Allowance $28, tutoring $18. Expenses: photography supplies $27, savings $15, stationery $9. Which of the following changes should Robin make to balance her budget? Increase savings by $5, decrease allowance by $5, decrease photography supplies by purchase by $5, decrease tutoring income by $5.